You know that feeling when your alarm rings and your brain says, just 5 more minutes, and suddenly it's 9 a.m. and you're rushing, frustrated, and asking yourself, why can't I wake up early like successful people do? You've watched 100 videos, tried all the hacks, early alarms, motivational quotes, even sleeping with your phone across the room. But nothing sticks. Well, today I'm going to tell you the real reason you can't wake up early and how to finally change that for good. Stick till the end, because the truth might surprise you. Let's start with the harsh truth. Waking up early isn't about willpower. You don't struggle because you're lazy. You struggle because you're fighting the wrong battle. Most people think they need more motivation to wake up early, but motivation fades. It's like a spark. It burns bright for a second, and then, gone. The real reason you can't wake up early is because your environment, your habits, and your mindset are all designed for the opposite. You can't plant seeds in sand and expect a forest to grow. Your late-night scrolling, your inconsistent routine, your ILL start tomorrow mindset, that S keeping you trapped. Here's something most people never realize. When you stay up late, your brain starts producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, at a completely different rhythm. So even if you want to wake up early, your body isn't ready for it yet. Think of it like trying to run a race while you're still asleep inside. So, to wake up early effortlessly, you don't fix the morning, you fix the night before. The way you spend your last 90 minutes before bed decides how you feel in the first 90 minutes after you wake up. Shut off screens, set your alarm at the same time every day, and most importantly, have a reason to wake up, because you'll never jump out of bed for something that doesn't excite you. If this is already hitting you hard and making sense, pause for a second and hit that like button, and comment below, "Tomorrow, I rise early." I want to see how many of you are ready to take this challenge seriously. Here's the real difference between people who wake up early and those who don't. Discipline. Not punishment, not perfection, just consistency. The truth is, your morning starts the night before, but your life starts the moment you stop breaking promises to yourself. Every time you hit snooze, your brain learns that your word doesn't matter. Every time you get up on time, even once, your mind learns that you can be trusted. That's how confidence grows. That's how success starts, not from doing massive things, but from winning the smallest battles. So, tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, remember this moment. Remember why you started watching this video. Don't get up for the alarm. Get up for your future self. When you start waking up early, something magical happens. You start hearing your own thoughts again. You feel peace before the world wakes up. You get time to think, to grow, to build yourself before life demands your attention. That quiet hour in the morning, that's where transformation happens. It's not about being an early riser. It's about becoming someone who takes control. So now you know, it's not about the alarm clock, it's about the person who sets it. If you're ready to become that person, hit the subscribe button right now, because every week I drop videos that will push you, challenge you, and help you become unstoppable. And tell me in the comments, what time are you waking up tomorrow? I'll be there reading every single one. Remember, the hardest part is getting up. But the best part is who you become after you do.